get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
जहाँ तो क्राउड में भी हेलमेट बंटवाने पड़ेंगे। एक और गेंद गई है स्टैंड्स में। कितना भी बड़ा मैदान क्यों ना हो, इस शॉट पे तो 6 मिलेंगे। जबरदस्त शॉट के साथ एक करारी शुरुआत, पहली गेंद पहला चौका।
Hey guys, what's up? This is Amir and you are watching AK Tectonic. In this video, I am going to do a detailed review of WCC3 which was launched just 1 hour before on a Play Store, and I was able to do a quick review of it. So I'm gonna explain you most of the features of WCC3 in detail. Most of the features are locked as this is an early version 0.1 version of WCC3. Quick play is available to play on WCC3 and My Career NPL Women's Cricket are locked. Now coming to the My Squad section in WCC3, you can customize your player using a silver coins. You can select the silver coins from the left bottom as you can see, and you can claim these coins and use these coins for increasing the performance of your player. You can customize this performance of your player by using like focus option, short quick running options, and there are many more such options, footwork options, and also you can customize your players in these sections with the help of this customize button. There are a lot of options and you can even unlock the advanced pack from here. The next tab of WCC3 has a rivals sections, and online rival is available to play, whereas local rivals, batting rivals and challenger friend is unavailable in this version. As you can see, this online rival is available in this version. Coming to the next section, which is tournament section, we have a quick tournament, World T20, World Cup and many more tournaments, OD series, Tri series, Ashes series, and we have a test series too in this. There are also a leagues, so NPL, Pakistan League, Bangladesh leagues and a great Aussie Bash too. So we can enjoy a lot of games and tournaments in this section. That is a pretty awesome compared to WCC2 which have a limited versions in that. Let's now do a quick play of WCC3. It is a 5-hour game, India versus Pakistan. Dusty pitch is selected. Match condition can be night, day, or we can select anything, and there are a lot of stadiums available in WCC3. Now focusing on graphics, the graphics are very great, I can say. It is very awesome and it is can be matchable to Don Bradman cricket. As you can see, they have worked a lot in this version, and hopefully it will improve more in updated versions of WCC3. So you can see here in graphics, you can select low, medium, high settings, sound, and you have a baller end selection, whereas the classic section, classic controller is not available in this version and it will be available in future. The best thing I found in this game is a commentary by Matthew Hayden in English and by Akash Chopra in Hindi, and I found the commentary by Akash Chopra very entertaining in this game and it is quite impressive, I can say. Now I am gonna explain you the batting and bowling controls in WCC3. On the left side you have a joystick and you can move the batsman on the pitch with the help of this joystick. The next step is to select the type of shot, which is a loft shot, an advanced shot, or a leap or a defense. So by clicking on this you can select any of the shot, and the next step is to use this joystick to power your shot and give a direction to your shot. You can see, you can do as I am doing here to direct your shot.
जहाँ तो क्राउड में भी हेलमेट बंटवाने पड़ेंगे। एक और गेंद गई है स्टैंड्स में। कितना भी बड़ा मैदान क्यों ना हो, इस शॉट पे तो 6 मिलेंगे। जबरदस्त शॉट के साथ एक करारी शुरुआत, पहली गेंद पहला चौका।
Now coming to the bowling controls, you can see you have a joystick on the right side and you can select a type of ball. If you stop this arrow on a white section, it is a regular delivery. On a green section, it is a special delivery, and if it stops on red, it will be a no ball. So you have to be careful while typing here. The next step is to select the parameters of your delivery, such as swing, speed and accuracy of your delivery. So you can click on the ball and drag it to select the swing, speed and accuracy of your delivery. After selecting the type of delivery, you can see on the left side you have a joystick and you can select the path of the ball to be bounced on the pitch. That is just a bad ball and I was smashed for the 6. And here you can see if you select on green, if you stop the arrow on a green, you will get special deliveries such as slow ball, reverse swing, leg cutter and off cutter. These deliveries are very special and you can get wickets easily with the help of these deliveries. Stopping an arrow on the red mark will give a no ball. And also you can see there is a new feature in a fielding. You can direct throw by stopping the arrow on the green mark. This is a new feature in WCC 3 which was not available in WCC 2, and you can see there are some flaws in this game too. As you can see, this is clearly not out and it was given out. Same thing was happening when the batsman was stumped and he was given out. So I'm pretty disappointed with this section. They are giving incorrect decisions. Also we have a ultra edge mode and a hotspot mode in this game, which is decided by a third umpire. As you can see, this is quite impressive, I can say, and the graphics look good compared to WCC 2.
गेंदबाज की बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, बल्लेबाज का खाता गेंदबाज गेंद के साथ करता है कमाल। यहाँ तो गेंद को रिमांड पर लिया है, ऑन डिमांड चौका चढ़ा है।
That's all in this video guys. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel AK Tectonic and like this video because I was quick enough to update this video on YouTube as soon as the game was launched. Thanks for watching.
Hold me close till I get out.